So I just got the seat off, and you can kind of see it's all cracked around the mounting holes and it's bent this side. So what I'm thinking is I'll strip this back. I'm going to have to get some anti-spatter goop, whatever you call it. I'll coat all that and see if I've got a bit of spare leather or something I can cover up the rest of the paint. I'll strip this back and I'll just tack them. And thanks to the aid of cardboard aided design, I've made up a bit of a dog bone. I've got some of this checker plate, so I'm thinking I'll make two of these up, and so that way one on top, one underneath. Sandwich that area together. And I'll probably see if they've got panel bond at Bunnings, and like I'll have this side facing out. I'll have to flatten off where the bolt holes go, just so there's a nice flat area to put washers and shit down on. Panel bond them, let that cure overnight, and yeah, that'll sort of seal it and support it all. I'll probably drop a third bolt in the middle there too, I think. Get some bigger washers, that should work. Because I do like having the sway bar rubbers. I think they're off of VS Commodore. I'll just cut them down because it levels that seat frame, levels the seat frame right up. So instead of the seat tilting forward, pushing you into the steering wheel, it sort of levels you out a bit more. It's a bit more comfier. So I do want to keep those rubbers, and it just makes a softer ride. That's why I put these stiff foam blocks in here. Just stiffens it up a bit without over springing it. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll probably do that tomorrow. It's Sunday here, so I don't want to go pissing off neighbours and the missus. So basically got that done. Start on that tomorrow. Have a look around for anti-spatter and some panel bond, and go from there. See if I can get some Cub Cadet yellow paint from somewhere too. But yeah, I think even if I hadn't done that, I think it still would have cracked. I don't know why, it just seems more prone in this area, so get that going tomorrow. That'll be another job down. Catch us later. Like and subscribe if you want.